Hi everyone, welcome to vitechability YouTube channel. Microsoft has finally provided natural voices for Narrator screen reader. So in this video I'll be talking about how we can use these voices with our Narrator screen reader, and I'll also give my opinion on the quality of these voices. So without delay, let's begin the video. With the update of Windows 11 22 H2, Microsoft has provided 3 natural voices. These voices are available for Windows 11 users only. So if you are the user of Windows 10, then there is no possibility of using these voices with Narrator. So you may need to upgrade to Windows 11 in order to use this voice. Especially you need to upgrade to Windows 11 22 H2, the latest update, to get the voices. And if you are using Windows 11, then don't worry, you will soon get the update, and after updating to Windows 11 22 H2, you will finally get these voices. So to install these voices, when you first launch the Narrator screen reader, it will give you a dialog box that says natural voices are available, and click the install now button to install the voices. And after clicking on the install now button, you will be redirected to the place from where you can install these voices. But if you have just check on the do not show this dialog again, or in any way you cannot get that dialog box, then there is another way to install these voices. So I will show you the way. First you need to go to settings with the shortcut key Windows plus I.
Settings window, search box, find a setting, edit blank. System 1 of 11 level 1.
So you can also directly search from the search bar, but
Bluetooth and device, network and personalization.
Go manually there.
Apps
So you
not
need to
select.
find now accessibility.
Accounts not, time and language, gaming not, accessibility not, select a 9 of space. Accessibility button 1 of 1. List, vision grouping 1 of 3 level 1.
So after selecting accessibility option, you need to find Narrator from here. I'm using the down arrow to go through the option.
Level 2 text size 1, visual effects 2, mouse pointer and text cursor 4, magnifier 5, color filter 6, contrast the Narrator 8 of 8 level 2.
So we are in Narrator option. We need to select this.
Use Narrator grouping, show all settings button collapsed.
So after selecting, you can navigate using the tab key.
Keyboard shortcut for Narrator grouping. Narrator home grouping. Show all settings but complete guide to Narrator grouping. Narrator's voice grouping. Choose a voice grouping. Choose a voice combo box. Microsoft Aria, natural, English, United States, collapsed.
So from here you can choose the voice. I have already installed one natural voice. Now let's see
Show all settings button. Add natural voices grouping. Add button.
how we can add the natural voice. You can click here to add the natural voice. When you move through tab navigation, let me show it again.
Choose a voice combo box. Show all settings button. Add natural voices grouping. Add button.
So you will get this option, add natural voices option.
Add button focused.
So you need to select this.
Select a natural voice to install dialog. List. Microsoft Guy, natural, English.
So there are 3 voices. I have installed one, so it will only show 2 of the voices that are remaining to be installed. So the first voice is Microsoft Aria, and second one is
Microsoft Guy, natural,
Microsoft
English.
Guy,
Microsoft Jenny, natural.
and another one is Microsoft Jenny. So these voices are for the English US language only. I hope Microsoft will provide the natural voices for other language as well, but for now only these 3 voices are available. Among them 2 are female and 1 is male.
Microsoft Guy, natural, English, United States, male, 11.62 megabytes 1 of 2.
So let's install this voice. If you tab,
Preview button.
then you can preview this voice.
Hello, my name is Guy. I am a high-quality speech voice that you can use for your screen reading needs with Narrator, which is the screen reader app built into Windows. You can use my voice while interacting and reading text with Narrator, and I hope you give me a try.
List, Microsoft Jenny, natural, English, United States, female, 12.
Now let's preview this voice as well.
Preview button.
Hello, my name is Jenny. I am a high-quality speech voice that you can use for your screen reading needs with Narrator, which is the screen reader app built into Windows. You can use my voice while interacting and reading text with Narrator, and I hope you give me a try.
List. Microsoft Guy, Natural, English, United States, Male, 11.62 megabytes.
So let's install this Guy voice. I have focus on that particular voice.
Preview button. Install button.
So after tabbing twice, you will get this install button. You just need to click here,
Installing natural voice, dialog, cancel button.
and the voice installation process has begun. You need to be connected to the internet to install this voice, and after
Narrator's
installing,
voice grouping. Add natural voices grouping. Add button. Add legacy. Add natural. Choose a
You
voice
will-
grouping. Show all settings button collapsed. Choose
Okay.
a voice combo box. Microsoft Guy, Natural, English, United States, collapsed.
the voice in the choose voices list. So from here you can choose the voice that you want.
Choose a voice combo box. Microsoft David English, United States. Microsoft Aria, Natural, English, United States, not selected 1 of 7. Microsoft Guy, Natural, English, United States, 2 of 7. Microsoft Aria, Natural, English, United States, not selected 1 of 7.
So if you want to select a particular voice for narrator, then you can simply select it from
Choose a
here.
voice combo box. Microsoft Aria, Natural, English, United States, collapsed.
So I have selected the voice. Now let's check how the voice quality is. To check the voice quality, first you need to turn on the narrator. So let me quit from nvda.
Exit and restart. Exit.
Alright, I have turned off my nvda screen reader. Now I will turn on narrator with the shortcut key Windows plus Control plus Enter.
Starting narrator. Pain.
So narrator has started. Now let's check the quality of this voice. To check the quality, I will make narrator to read one
Document.
text.
Oh, document 1 word window. Document. Chapter 1. Scan.
I need to go to the scan mode, or this can be also taken as the browse mode in nvda. So now let
Chapter 1.
the narrator read this text.
Introducing Narrator. Narrator lets you use your PC without a mouse to complete common tasks if you're blind or have low vision. It reads and interacts with things on the screen, like text and buttons. Use Narrator to read and write email, browse the internet, and work with documents. Specific commands let you navigate Windows, the web, and apps. Navigation is available using headings, links, landmarks, and more. You can read.
So this is the narrator voice, and if you want to check the other voices, then you can simply go to you can simply choose the voice from the narrator settings and simply use that particular voice. So if you want complete tutorial of narrator, then I will leave the link in the description. From there you can read all the things that are related to narrator. So talking about the voice quality, I am not impressed with the quality of these so-called natural voices. Microsoft says that they are natural voice, but they are not truly a natural voice. Yeah, they are pretty good than the old voices that are available in the narrator, but they are not as natural as I thought, because if you compare this voice to the similar voice in the Microsoft neural voices, then the quality is different. This can be taken as the compact voice of that particular Microsoft neural voices. So I don't know why Microsoft just decreased the quality. I think they could make these voices more better. You have also seen the size of that voices before. It was around 12 11 to 12 MB only. So I think Microsoft is taking care of the storage. I don't think that Microsoft need to take care of the storage for the Windows user, because at least a person will use at least 256 GB of hard drive or a solid state drive as a installation directory for Windows, so they don't need to take care for that. At least they could increase the size or increase the quality. At least they could make the voice size up to a few hundred MBs or a GB as well. I don't mind installing the voice of around 1 or 2 GB if the quality is really high, but for this I am not impressed with the quality. And if you want to compare the quality of the voice, then you can also go to my old video. I have made a video where you can use the natural voice to read various documents. I'll leave the video in the cards menu. You can click on the above shown video, as well as you can click on the link that is given in the description box and watch that video as well. If you are thinking of using these voices with your screen reader, the third-party screen reader like nvda or JAWS, then for now this is not possible. You cannot get it in the SAPI5 menu as well. So this is just for the narrator only. You cannot use these voices with the Windows Core voices also. So this is totally dedicated to the narrator screen reader only, and for now this is not possible. I hope Microsoft may bring these voices as a SAPI5 voice for Windows or the Windows Core voices, but for now this is not possible. Or in future there might be some tweakings to these things, and somebody may provide these voices as a SAPI5. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, then please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. We will again meet in the new video.